our technical video. Let's dive into our code.
Our team has built an app named Live for the Future, which aims to support young mothers during their pregnancy journey. The user interface of our app was constructed by utilizing the Java language in Android Studio. Additionally, our app features an AI chatbot, Nadia, created from a combination of databases and open source code. All features of our app have been tested and work as we initially planned them to.
And welcome to our file where most of our AI is done. Actually, here we have our API key for our AI stored in my computer. It is important to keep your API key very safe. And here we see that we're using the Hugging Face, and we're using an API key from their site. And here we have the most important method. I'll get the user message and return a message. Essentially what it does is when this URL is called /API/chat under the request post, it'll run the method chat. And it'll try to get the user's data in a JSON file, and it'll split it up into user message and session ID in order to keep things organized. And if there are no user messages, it'll return an error. Added to implement default responses for keywords that might appear in the user's response. And this allows us to provide a lot more information and a lot more help to them. And if a keyword is not found, we will make a request to Hugging Face and get their message instead. And if there was an error in making a request to their API, we have some fallback responses right here, which is randomly chosen. And we have a method to get the history here for the AI in order to make it for the future, when we do switch to OpenAI or DeepSeek, we have this method here for the AI to choose the best response and remember the user's preferences. And
so this is part of the code. I've split it up into screens. So for example, the first screen, the second screen, and the third screen.
By clicking on the Sign Up button or the Next button from the login page of our app, you will be led to the main page of Live for the Future, which has the 4 primary health trackers that each lead to a separate page on our app. The way we coded so was by using the Java code in Android Studio, specifically XML.
We would also make sure that they take enough nutrients every day using this calorie counter, which automatically decides how much calories they need to eat every single day based on their user input.
We knew that user feedback was critical to make this app as accessible as possible. For this reason, before even proceeding with our project, we created an online questionnaire which we distributed to those around us, focusing on our target demographic of women below the age of 30. The key piece of advice we received was to make the app as personal as possible, thus inspiring us to create our AI chatbot, anonymous app face, and convenient emergency button. Going forward, we would like to use more databases when coding our AI chatbot Nadia, and for our emergency button, we would like to connect it to location databases so that our users can access services near them.
Thank you for listening. Let's start living for the future.